Kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making English muffins. They might seem more complicated, but it's really no different from making pancakes or waffles or crepes. So I find English muffins delicious because you can have them with hollandaise sauce, you can put cheese and meat in them, you can kind of sometimes use them for burger buns. I'd suggest getting actual burger buns or making burger buns. It's quite simple. Obviously it takes more time if you're filming it, but other than that it's quite simple. If you're using active yeast, mix it in with warm water first and let it activate for 10 minutes. Normally when we make these, it's to have them with eggs benedict and hollandaise sauce for breakfast or brunch. Then sometimes I just snack on them when there's leftover ones. Because they're for breakfast, we make the batter the night before and let it double in size overnight. My favorite part is letting the dough rise. Yeah, this is the rising part. I just find it so satisfying. Well, the baking of it is also fun, putting it in these little containers. Very funny to watch my dad do. It looks very silly, like he's trying to make perfect eggs or something. We've been making these for years with our 3-inch and our 4-inch cookie cutters. But after we filmed this, my dad finally went out and bought 4 muffin rings, which means we cook them in half the time. You can make these without the rings, but they'll spread out a lot and aren't as fluffy or pretty. I'm not judging them. I'm just saying they're flat. Be careful when you're removing the metal rings because they will be quite hot. Resting them for 10 minutes at the end is important to let all the steam escape slowly. Once they're cooled, slice them open and enjoy with your favorite toppings. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe. Thank you!